Story Nest.
Okay, I will generate a series of high-definition 16:9, 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style images depicting Cleo the Cuddlebug, a fluffy purple creature with large, kind eyes, and Max the monster, a friendly green monster with soft fur and small horns, hosting a cozy campfire night. They will be sitting on logs around a crackling fire under a starry night sky, sharing stories and roasting marshmallows. The images will have a 1920x 1080 resolution and feature consistent characters throughout the story. Cleo the Cuddlebug and Max the monster decided to have a very special evening. "A campfire night!" exclaimed Cleo, her antennae wiggling with excitement. Max, his little horns glowing in the twilight, bounced on his feet. "With stories and yummy gooey marshmallows," he added, already imagining the sweet treat. As the stars began to twinkle like tiny diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth, they settled down beside their crackling fire. Cleo started the first story. Once upon a time, in a field full of giggling sunflowers, Max listened with wide eyes, his marshmallow slowly turning golden brown over the warm embers. Then it was his turn. "My story is about a brave little firefly who wasn't afraid of the dark, not even a little bit." They shared many more stories, and even sang a few silly songs, their laughter echoing softly in the peaceful night. With their tummies full of roasted marshmallows, and their hearts full of happy memories, Cleo and Max agreed it was the coziest campfire night ever.